OSINT, or Open Source Intelligence, uses free, publicly available tools to gather information from data that's already out in the open. These tools can legally find your name, location, friends, interests, and more by scraping public data. To protect yourself, regularly review your privacy settings and limit the personal information you share online. Use security software and be mindful of your digital footprint to reduce what OSINT tools can find about you. Remember, these tools should only be used ethically and for educational purposes. First up is a tool called Migray. Migray specializes in searching usernames. If you enter a username, it checks over 500 different platforms to see where that username appears. This means if someone knows your username, they can quickly find your accounts on sites like Twitter, Steam, LinkedIn, Facebook, and many more. It's fast, thorough, and can reveal accounts you may have forgotten about. To protect yourself, avoid reusing the same username across different sites. Use unique usernames for your professional, personal, and anonymous accounts. This makes it much harder for tools like Migray to connect your accounts and link your online identities. Eye of God is a Telegram bot that searches a massive database of public records, social media data, and data breach dumps. Enter a phone number or email and the bot tries to find everything linked to it: names, social profiles, and breach history. This means someone could use your contact info from an online ad to uncover your identity and compromised accounts. The bot can reveal leaked usernames and passwords tied to your info from past breaches. To protect yourself, use a burner phone number or disposable email for public listings. Set up a Google Voice number or a temporary email for online marketplaces. Always use strong, unique passwords for every account, managed with a password manager. This way, if one account is breached, your other accounts stay safe. Namecheck is a simple but powerful tool for OSINT and digital security. Enter a username, and Namecheck instantly checks dozens of social media sites, domain registries, and online services to see if that name is taken. It provides a fast, visual grid showing which platforms have that username available or already registered. Use Namecheck to quickly map out where a username is in use across the web. Check for impersonators by searching your own or your brand's handle to see if someone else has registered it on new platforms. Audit your digital footprint by entering old usernames and finding forgotten accounts. Regularly use Namecheck to track your online presence, spot impersonators, and clean up abandoned accounts. This helps you maintain control over your digital identity. The most practical OSINT tool you should use is Have I Been Pwned? It's a free and trusted resource run by security expert Troy Hunt. Just enter your email address or phone number, and it checks if your information has appeared in any known data breaches. The results show which breaches your data appeared in, when they happened, and what kind of data was leaked. For example, you'll see if only your email was leaked, or if your password, address, or date of birth were also exposed. Review the details to understand your risk. If you find your email in a breach and you've reused that password, change it immediately. Use Have I Been Pwned regularly to monitor your exposure and update your passwords as needed. Let's look at IntelliX, or Intelligence X, a powerful OSINT search engine. Unlike Google, IntelliX indexes data from the deep and dark web. It archives content from paste sites like Pastebin, forums, Telegram channels, and even websites that have been taken down. You can use IntelliX to search for usernames, emails, or company names and find mentions in places that are no longer publicly accessible. This makes it useful for finding old leaked passwords, sensitive documents, or conversations that have been deleted elsewhere. IntelliX can reveal information that has resurfaced years later, even if it was deleted from the original source. Use IntelliX to check if your own data or company information has been exposed online. Regularly monitor for your sensitive information to reduce the risk of exposure. pwned is a facial recognition search engine that lets you upload a photo of a face and scans the public internet to find other instances of that face, even in group photos at different angles or from years ago. It can link your professional photos, like those on LinkedIn, to personal images on blogs, news articles, or social media. To protect yourself, Audit your public photos and be deliberate about which images of you exist online. Review your social media privacy settings. Check who can see your photos and who can tag you. Stay aware of where your photo is being posted by others. pwned also offers a service to help you find and request takedowns of your photos. The key is to control your image and limit where your face appears online. Social catfish is a tool for verifying information you already have about someone online. You can search by name, email address, phone number, username, or even an image. The tool cross-references your input with public records, social media, and its own database to generate a report. This is especially useful for checking if someone is using fake information or images, such as in romance scams or catfishing. You can run a reverse image search to see if profile photos are stolen from elsewhere. The results show if those photos belong to someone else. You can also use social catfish to check your own information. Enter your name, email, or username to see what information is publicly available about you. This helps you find old profiles or photos you may want to remove. Use the results to manage or delete information you don't want online. Exif tool is a command line utility that reads, writes, and edits metadata in image files. It can reveal hidden exif data, like the date, time, camera model, and GPS coordinates embedded in your photos. To use exif tool, simply run the tool on any image file to instantly extract this information. Before posting photos online, use exif tool or a free app to remove metadata and protect your privacy. Many phones have built-in options or free apps to strip this data before uploading. Always scrub your photo metadata to keep your personal information safe. Creepy is a tool that aggregates geotag data from social media. It connects to various social media APIs and pulls posts from a target user that have location data attached. This includes tweets with a location tag, Instagram posts with a geotag, and photos from services like Flickr that have GPS data embedded. Creepy plots all these locations on a map so you can visually see where someone has posted from. By collecting these location breadcrumbs, it can reveal routines and movements. To protect yourself, turn off geotagging on your social media posts. Check your app privacy settings and make sure you're not automatically attaching your location to posts. Avoid oversharing your location online. Disabling location services is a simple way to protect your physical security. Let's look at Spiderfoot, an open-source automation tool for OSINT. Enter a domain name, email address, or username, and Spiderfoot will scan over 100 public data sources for information. It checks for IP addresses, domain registrations, social media accounts, data breaches, and associated names. Spiderfoot also maps relationships between data points, like linking an email to usernames and websites. The tool organizes results into interactive graphs and charts for easy analysis. Use Spiderfoot on your own information to see what data is exposed and take steps to reduce your digital footprint. Regularly scan and clean up your digital presence to stay secure. Audit your usernames with NameCheck to see where your online identities are exposed. Check if your accounts have been compromised using Have I Been Pwned. Use exif tool to remove hidden metadata from your files and photos. Review your public photos before pwned or others find them online. Regularly practice digital hygiene by checking your exposure with these tools. Take control of your digital footprint with these free OSINT tools.